to cancel your booking on flight. How to cancel your booking on Spirit flights. First, you want to go to your browser, and here on the browser at your search bar, simply tap on it and type in Spirit. And here you want to type in Spirit cancel booking and simply search. After that, you will see the first website. Simply tap on it and you want to scroll down and click on guests. After that, you want to scroll down again, and here you will see an option called refund status, lost baggage and lost and found. You want to simply click on refund status and it will redirect you to this website. And it will redirect you to this page. Here you want to type in your last name, your confirmation code, and click on continue. After doing so, you can change or cancel your flight and add extra bags and add extras like bags or seat. And after clicking on continue, you can change or cancel your flight from here, and also you can add extras like bags or seat assignments. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.